Hello, everybody. Welcome to a smart grasp, explore, and win. Greetings for the day. Let's get started with today's topic.
Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable, Exercise 2.3. Solve the following equations and check your results. So, in the given set of questions, we are supposed to solve and find the value of the unknown quantity. Also, we will be verifying whether our answer is correct. First sum 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. When we transpose plus 2x to this side, it becomes minus. So 3x minus 2x equal to 18. 3x minus 2x is x equal to 18. So the value of x is equal to 18. Now let's verify our result. For that, we will substitute the value of x in the given question. So substitute x is equal to 18 in LHS and RHS. So in LHS, 3x, which is 3 into 18. 3 18s are 54. Now in RHS, 2x plus 18. Instead of x, let's substitute the value of x. 2 into 18 plus 18 equal to 2 18s are 36 plus 18, which gives us 54. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verified. Similarly, we are going to solve other sums as well as we are going to verify the results. Second sum, plus 3t, when it is transposed, it becomes minus 3t and minus 3 becomes plus 3. 5t minus 3t equal to minus 5 plus 3. 5t minus 3t is 2t. Minus 5 plus 3. Minus into plus minus. When we subtract, we will get 2. The greater number sign is minus. So the answer is minus 2. Now let's transpose this 2. It becomes division. Therefore, t equal to minus 2 by 2. So equal to minus 1. Now let's verify our result. Substitute t equal to minus 1 in LHS and RHS. LHS 5t minus 3. In the place of t, we will substitute the value of t, which is minus 1. 5 into minus 1 minus 3. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. Then minus 3. Minus into minus plus. When we add, we will get 8. The greater number is 5. So it is minus 8. Similarly, RHS 3t minus 5. Instead of t, we will substitute minus 1. 3 into minus 1 minus 5. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. And we have the minus 5. Minus into minus plus. When we add, we will get 8. Greater number sign is negative. So it is minus 8. Therefore, now LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we have verified our result. Third sum. 5x plus 9 equal to 5 plus 3x. When we transpose this 3x and 9, the sign changes. So it becomes 5x minus 3x equal to 5 minus 9. 5x minus 3x is 2x equal to plus into minus minus. When we subtract, we will get 4. Greater number sign is minus. Now let's transpose this 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4 by 2. When we divide minus 4 by 2, we will get minus 2. Now let's verify the result. Substitute x is equal to minus 2 in LHS and RHS. LHS 5x plus 9. 5 into the value of x is minus 2 plus 9. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 plus 9. Plus into minus is minus. If we subtract, we will get 1. Greater number sign is minus. So it is minus 1. Now RHS 5 plus 3x. 5 plus 3 into minus 2. 5 plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Now 5, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Plus into minus is minus. If we subtract, we will get 1. Greater number sign is minus. Therefore, the final RHS value is minus 1. Hence, LHS equal to RHS. We have verified our results as well. Fourth sum. 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z. Let's bring the variables to one side and the constant to the other side. When it is transposed, the sign gets changed. So 4z minus 2z equal to 6 minus 3. 4z minus 2z is 2z equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. Now z equal to, this 2 will come this side, so 3 by 2. Let's cross check the result. Substitute z equal to 3 by 2 in LHS and RHS. LHS 4z plus 3 equal to 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 threes are 6 plus 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Now in RHS, 6 plus 2z equal to 6 plus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. So 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we have verified our results. Fifth sum. 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x. We will bring the x this side and minus 1 to right hand side. So 2x plus x equal to 14 plus 1. 2x plus x is 3x equal to 14 plus 1 is 15. Now x is equal to, this 3 will come this side. So 15 by 3, which is equal to 5. Now let's verify the result. Substitute x is equal to 5 in LHS and RHS. LHS 2x minus 1 equal to 2 into 5 minus 1. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now RHS 14 minus x, that is 14 minus 5 equal to 9. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Now sixth sum, 8x plus 4 equal to, let's open the bracket, 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, plus 7. Let's do transpose. 8x minus 3x equal to minus 3 plus 7, and we will transpose plus 4, which becomes minus 4. 8x minus 3x is 5x equal to minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now when you transpose this 5 to the right hand side, it becomes division. So 0 by 5 is 0. Now let's substitute and verify. Substitute x is equal to 0 in LHS and RHS. LHS 8x plus 4. So let's substitute the value. 8 into 0 plus 4 equal to, 8 into 0 is 0 plus 4. The final answer is 4. RHS 3 into x minus 1 plus 7 equal to 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 plus 7 equal to 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 minus into plus minus. When you subtract, we will get 4. Greater number sign is plus. So it is plus 4. Both are same. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified. Now let's discuss the seventh sum. Seventh sum, let's transpose the 5 which is in division. It becomes multiplication. So 5x is equal to 4 into x plus 10. Let's open the bracket. 5x is equal to 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 10, 40. Now let's transpose this 4x to the left hand side. So 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. 5x minus 4x is x. So x is equal to 40. Let's substitute x is equal to 40 in LHS and RHS. So LHS is x is equal to 40. RHS 4 by 5 into x plus 10. 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10. 40 plus 10 is 50. So 4 by 5 into 50. 5 ones are, 5 tens are. 4 into 10 is 40. Therefore, LHS and RHS both are same. Eighth sum, we have to take LCM and solve. But before that, we will do transpose. Let's bring the 7x by 15 to the left hand side. So 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 equal to 3, and that plus 1 becomes minus 1 when it is transposed. Now let's take LCM. LCM is 15. We are supposed to multiply into 5 with this fraction. 2x into 5 is 10x by 15 minus 7x by 15 equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. Since it is same denominator, we can combine and write 10x minus 7x by 15 equal to 2. 10x minus 7x is 3x. So 3x by 15 equal to 2. 3 ones are, 3 5s are. Now let's transpose this 5, which becomes multiplication. So x is equal to 2 into 5 is 10. Substitute x is equal to 10 in LHS and RHS. So LHS 2x by 3 plus 1, which is equal to 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1. 2 into 10 is 20 by 3 plus 1. LCM is 3. Let's multiply the second fraction by 3. So denominator is common 3. 20 plus 1 into 3 is 3. So 23 by 3. Now RHS. 7x by 15 plus 3 equal to 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3. 5 2s are, 5 3s are. So now 7 2s are 14 by 3 plus 3. Let's take LCM. The LCM is 3. So let's multiply the second fraction by 3. So 14 plus 3 3s are 9. When you add 14 plus 9, we will get 23. So the final answer is 23 by 3. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Ninth sum, let's move the variable to one side and constant to the other side. So 2y minus y, when it is transposed, it becomes plus y equal to 26 by 3 lies as it is, and this plus 5 by 3 is changed to minus 5 by 3. 2y plus y is 3y equal to, since it is same denominator, we can subtract as it is. 26 minus 5 is 21. So 21 by 3. 3y equal to 21 by 3 is 7. Let's transpose this 3 now. Therefore, y equal to 7 by 3. Let's substitute the value in LHS and RHS. LHS 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to 2 into the value of y is 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. 2 into 7 is 14. So 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Since it is the same denominator, we can just add 14 plus 5 is 19. So 19 by 3 RHS. 26 by 3 minus y equal to 26 by 3 minus 7 by 3. Same denominator, so we can combine the numerator. 26 minus 7 whole divided by 3. 26 minus 7 is 19. So the answer is 19 by 3. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. 10th sum. Let's transpose. So 3m minus 5m equal to minus 8 by 5. 3m minus 5m. Plus into minus is minus. So when you subtract, we will get 2m. The greater number is 5. The sign is minus. So minus 2m equal to minus 8 by 5. Minus and minus gets cancelled. This 2, when it is transposed, it goes as a division. Therefore, m equal to 8 by 5 divided by 2. If nothing is there in the denominator, it means 1. This implies m equal to 8 by 5. This division turns into multiplication when the second term is reciprocated. So, into 1 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. Now let's multiply. 4 into 1, 4. 5 into 1, 5. The value of m is 4 by 5. Let's substitute m equal to 4 by 5 in LHS and RHS. LHS 3m equal to 3 into 4 by 5, which is equal to 3 fours are 12 and the denominator 5. Now RHS 5m minus 8 by 5. 5 into 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. 5 fours are 20 by 5 minus 8 by 5. Same denominator, so we can combine. 20 minus 8 is 12. So both are 12 by 5. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. With this, we have completed this exercise.
Thank you all for watching Smart. Grasp, explore and win. Stay tuned for more videos.